ears here, bro. My ears hurt. Damn it, my MPG went down. What?
What?
That shit's so loud.
Is it hella loud?
Hell yeah.
Hella loud?
Yeah.
Hey, you know I was getting good ass flame videos of your shit.
For real?
Yeah.
You have to send those to me.
Well, they're hella nice. Hella nice.
You saw the car that got mad?
Where?
Like, I don't know, but he was flashing like his yellow lights
I
or whatever.
saw that. Yeah, behind us, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw it from a...
Yeah, me too, bro. When I saw him from a distance.
I thought it was a cop.
Yeah, me too. But then I was like, nah, he would have turned on his like highway.
The only thing that I was thinking that could get us pulled over is when we were going like 40 in the 65. If it was like that, we'd pull out, bro.
Yeah.
I'll let you get in front of me and then you can get your little time because I couldn't catch up with you.
It is, fool.
Hey, you see how I was letting you win that little first one?
Oh, that's what happened?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I was like, holy shit, my shit's fast.
But the other ones I was actually like trying to
you fucked me right there. Was that third gear or what? Second?
That was third gear.
Oh, third? Yeah.
Yeah, the other one was fourth gear. I was just trying to see
I was
all
on
the way.
second.
Oh, you was on low gear.
Damn, never been passenger in my own car before.
How do I flip a bitch?
I
never been in this one.
No, yeah, just keep on going straight. It's okay, just a downhill though.
Oh yeah, and then we can flip a big shot?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is crazy. I never drove a stick fucking fucking E46.
So where'd you learn how to drive stick?
Like 2-3 years ago? In a fucking Lincoln LS.
Oh, okay. In a Lincoln.
Yeah. Way different than this, but yeah. It's short shifter?
Yeah, there's a short shifter.
Is that why it's so like easy to go into the thing? Okay.
That's the same ones they use in the 5 Series, the E60s.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they're compatible?
Yeah.
Okay.
The shifters are compatible.
This is dope as shit, dog.
Yeah. You should fucking shoot a flame real quick when you bust the U-turn right now.
Is that a flame or no?
Nah. So like, if you want to do a U-turn right now, we'll do it on the way back.
Okay.
There's no cars in the way. That's why I love this area, but there's like no cars. Alright, once you go to second, bro, smash that shit all the way to 6K and let it go.
Yeah, I love you fucking. You're gonna make me want to get a fucking seat. You're a good ass stick driver, dog. Yeah. I'll tell you that because you make it seem way easier.
Wait, what? Driving it or what? What do you mean?
Like, I be feeling like I'm granny shifting compared to you, dog.
Oh, I feel like I still suck too, bro.
And I hear your downshifts are hella fucking crispy. I ain't gonna lie, you know your fucking car good.
Yeah, bro, that's what it is though. It's just, bro, it's funny we're here because when I first got my car, I drove it here, right? Yeah, this downhill made me go back.
Yeah?
Yeah, first time I got the car.
I feel that engaging. Do you still got a stage 1?
Oh, you want to do? No, I got. Or you mean stage 3, right?
You got a stage 3?
Yeah.
Clutch?
Oh, clutch. Oh no, yeah, I still got stage 1.
Yeah.
I want to upgrade that shit though, and then I want to get a lightweight flywheel.
It's just about to be going.
Yeah, that shit would fucking make me accelerate hella fast. So you want to do 2-step?
how's that one?
So you just put it in first. You don't let go of the clutch though, and then you just gas it.
So you are like this?
Yeah.
And so right there, like if you wanted to race, you'd do that.
Yeah, but I'd
My
be
bad.
spinning. Nah, you're good. I'd be spinning though.
So all right, let's say you wanted to do that. You saw.
Yeah.
Get into the right, dog. I really love your fucking inside of your car.
Hey, the homie's gonna let me whip his car too. Let's go. Yeah, what's this?
Rev the gas.
Oh.
So it's showing me how much, you know, percentage and shit.
Holy shit. You know, before I even got this car, you know I wanted a Q60 so bad.
I think you get one.
I really wanted a Q60. And how do you like it since you got it?
I love it.
You love it?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro, I'd hella be whipping this.
See, bro.
So I just put it to the side, right? For the little paddle
So
shit?
these ones you just gotta actually manually do it, cause
Oh, yeah, you don't have that.
yeah, if you stay in the gear, it'll stay in the gear.
Well, rather like...
Transmission.
Do I let go of the gas when I shit?
You can keep doing it.
Look, you can't say your shit. God damn, this shit pulls. Dude, this is the fastest car I've been.
Yeah?
Yeah. God damn, bro. Bro, this is fast. Holy shit. God damn. Yeah, that car, his car is scary, bro. That shit is fast.